21 Duran with a flat early to one ring. Rebound inside. But that was black, another black. A door pass.
Start of second quarter.
Okay, here's the inbound to number 72. Number 11 with a boogie moves. Simple. 14 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. There's a bounce on Villamor. Rebound. 5 on the shot clock. There's a rebound inside. There's a 2-point, 16-26. There's number 7, 7, Laurio. Cross the ball to number 18, Ladoza. Minegos Sala. Rebound to number 13. There's a pass. There's the jumper. Nugget. Rebound. Put back is in for number 18. 16-28. Let's take it away. Number 11, Reva to Villamor, 2 points. 18-28. Where's Saudio with the ball? There's the tip. Duran got the ball. Now Duran with the basketball. There's the tip from Laurio. Get it to number 18, Lanosa. Step back. Short. Rebound Laurio. There's a pass. Another Laurio. Good. Rebound. Agobas with the rebound. There's number 13 with the ball. Number 13 with the slides. Baba pa. Nasa baba pa ang kontak ay number 7. Laurio. Working on the shot clock. Racing on the pad up. That's the final play the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Get about to number 21. Duran with a flat early to one ring. Rebound inside. But that was black, another black. A door pass. Foul on number 6, Pasqua. Second throw is shining out. Rebound on number 13. Isaiah. There's Laurio. To Laurio. To Lanosa. To Laurio. Check it away. Dapada with the ball. Dapada. Hit fake. Drives in. Pull up. Short. Rebound. Reba with a rebound. That's Reba with a pick and roll. It's an all board shot. Laurio now with the ball. Laurio pass the ball. Lanosa gets a basket with a foul. Basket count. Foul on number 23. Eighteen 31. That's a pass. 2 points on number 23. 18-23. A dual pass on the baseline, reverse. There's the tip. Rebound to number 7. He picked up again at the ball to number 23 with the reverse. Rebound to number 13, Isai. Foul on number 11. First throw, basket count. 18-34. Second throw. In and out. Lanosa for the board. Lanosa to Kisay. Lays up in the bounds for number 13. 18-36. Nangalahati na ang Team Boracay Dago. Duran. Foul on number 23. Substitution. Riva moves out. First foul number 23. Dario. Second service, the 1 point, 1936. Number 07, Lario dropped the ball to Lario. What a nice pass. 1938. There's number 77 to the basketball. When the fourth break, drives in, kick off pass, number 21, Duran. Attempt, in and out, rebound. That's a rebound, get to number 18, Lanosa with an extra pass to number 77 with a pull-up jumper. Side pocket, the good rebound. Send ball. That's a rebound to number 07. That's a pass, Kisay. Nugget, rebound. That's a rebound with a 6 minutes remaining. That's number 21, Duran with the ball. Duran with the basketball, Duran attacking the defense. Duran puts it up, Nugget, rebound. Kisay for the rebound. Kisay cross the ball to number 77. There's now Lodi with the ball, pass the ball to number 23. Cut out! Team Barangay Cabul. 19-40 as a score.
Muna. Grabe ako natambak na ako basta malaging kalaban ng ganun. Back to the ball game. Second quarter pa lang kita sa Kanam San Banyadero kag Barangay.
There's a pass. There's a pass. Pass the ball. There's a shot. Rebound. Throws the ball. Legs up. No good.
Mala si Floyd. Nakakapashoot niya na.
That's a pass to number 15. Lauri with the ball. Lauri with a pass. Lauri with a jumper. 1942. That's number 77 with a floater. Nugget. Real back and forth. Rebound with a 5 minutes remaining. There's a steal. Reversed by the Nest. Nugget. Put back for the fight again. Bueno, brother. 21-42. That's Lauri with the ball. Pass the ball over. That's the jumper by number 23. Get it out. And the rebound by the tip. That's Lauri with the rebound, pass the ball to Laurio. Drives a pass. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Lauri with a jumper, 2 points. 21-44. That's a pass. That's attacking the defense by Bueno. Gas up 2 points. 23-44. Number 15, possible to number 06, Pasqua, extra pass. Number 26, that's number 23 another. Lario cross the ball to Lario. Lario attacking the defense. 10 on the shot clock. Kisay! That's the basket for the foul.
Oh, contact.
Basket down. Down on number 29. Second personal foul, number 29. Bonus 23-47. Yes, number 77 with the basketball. Trying to wide the ball, trying to wide the pass. Number 21 Duran on the corner. Back the ball on the top. That's been attacking the defense. Foul on number 7, Laurio. Second, personal foul, Laurio. Draws 8 foul 12. Get the ball to number 77. Just Ian with a cross pass. That's Dennis Gorky with a fade. There's the Pinoy step, kick out pass, 5 on the shot clock. Turan, in and out. Rebound on Kisay. There's a cross pass to number 15. Laurio with the ball. Look, gets another Laurio. Up sa Classison. 23-49. There's the Pana for the ball. Pass to number 77. Where's the number 77? Bueno, the lower the 2 points. 25-49. There's a baseball pass at the set. Secret ball by number 13. Give the ball to number 21, Duran. That's how Duran with the ball. Duran in the lane. Tapat up with the jumper. Rebound. There's a pass. Laurio with a 2 point.
Marami sa mga tiro ah. Damo din ng
25-51. That's number 77 with the ball. Number 77 extra pass. Pass about to number 29. Number 29 loses the ball. That's a cross pass. Number 16. Extra pass. It's a layup. Good. Rebound to number 30 with 2 minutes and 28. That's number 13. Adobas with the ball. Behind the back crossover. That's a ball up jumper. 2 points. 27-51. 2 minutes 15. That's a pass. Number 07. Laurio, shot clock is down to 10. Get the ball to another Laurio. Extra pass as the chopper. Who's wrong? Two minutes. 1 minute 55. That's the basket with a foul. Basket count. Foul number. Who is foul, Mr. Referee? Number 07. 1 minute 47. 3 fouls. Number 07, Laurio. Bonus. 1 minute 45. That's a crossover by number 20, number 6, second move. And foul on number 29. Substitution. Apan moves out. Third foul, number 29. One minute 30. Bulan Puyo, foul on number 13. First foul. Isai. There's a pass. Bueno with the ball. Bueno to the run. Traveling. 1 minute 20. One minute 15. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Taken away by Duran. That's Duran for number 2. The next score kick. That's the basket for the foul. Basket count. Foul on number 15, Laurio. Bonus draw on number 2, the Pada. Seconds and bonus. 1 minute remaining. That's a pass. Lario, that's the ball. That's number 07 with the ball. 50 segundos. Lario against the battle. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Lario to Lario. Right a pass with 5 on the shot clock. 2 points at number 23, Lario. 40 seconds. 45 seconds. 30 seconds. Layup. Cast the basket with a foul. Basket count. Foul number 13. Kisay. Second foul on Kisay. Bonus. 34-53, 29 segundos. There's our 15, Lauri with the ball, Lauri with the pass with Carr. Another Lauri with the ball, Lauri pass the ball to number 13, Kisay with 20 seconds. Number 15 pass the ball. There's a pass with 15 seconds. Down to 10 seconds remaining. And there's a whistle on number 13. It's an unsportsmanlike foul on Kisay. Third foul on Kisay.
On a sportsman foul. On a sportsman like foul. Committed by Kisay.
9 seconds. And it's a ball position. Two Jets have ball position. No jumpers inside the paint. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Number 13. 5 seconds. Bounces in. 2 seconds. Passer na kasunod yan. And that's the end of the first half. The score is 36-53 in favor of Team Barangay Daku.
Thank you for watching, guys.